Big news coming in on the anti-terror operation in Doda. One terrorist has been neutralized in Doda. Big update there. AK-47, M4 rifles have been recovered from the encounter site. As we also know that blood-soaked rucksacks were also found extensively. Initial reports suggested that there were four terrorists, and of which, while all four were reportedly injured at that point, the confirmation coming in that one of the terrorists has been neutralized. Sunil G. Bhatt for more on that. Sunil, please elaborate on the number of terrorists who were there, who indulged in fierce gunfight with our armed forces, eventually killing our captain, Deepak Singh. Now we hear that one of the terrorists among the four has been killed.
Yes, Nabila, there is a major update in the Doda encounter. A short while ago, Army has confirmed that one terrorist has been eliminated in this encounter. There are three more terrorists who are in injured condition. There are some reports doing the rounds that all four terrorists have been eliminated, but the Army has confirmed that one terrorist has been confirmed. The bodies of the rest of the three terrorists have not been found yet. So officially, one terrorist has been eliminated, and the firefight continues and the gunfight continues in the forest belt of Asar in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. Yesterday, the security forces got a specific input that there was presence of terrorists in the forest belt of Asar in Doda district of Jammu region, and based on that specific input, a joint search operation was launched by the Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police's Special Operations Group. And late in the evening, the security forces were successful in establishing a contact with the terrorists who were hiding in this forest area, and then a fierce encounter broke out. Unfortunately, this morning we got this tragic news that Army officer, captain rank officer Deepak Singh attained martyrdom. He made the supreme sacrifice of his life. We have lost one of our brave hearts in this encounter, but additional troops were rushed, and now the security forces have got success. One terrorist has been neutralized successfully, and an M4 carbine rifle. It's an American-made, rifle. It has been, found in this forest area. AK-47 rifle has also been recovered. So it's clear that these terrorists, Pakistani terrorists, are here for a long haul. They are equipped with some of the most modern weapons, and they want to create mayhem in Jammu and Kashmir. The security forces are on high alert, and intense anti-terror operations are on in Udhampur, in Doda and other places, and the priority is to neutralize the terrorists who are hiding in the upper reaches as soon as possible. Nabila.
Thank you very much, Sunil G. Bhatt, for joining us on that. Our armed forces there keep putting their life in the line of fire, have ensured that one terrorist is neutralized, several others are injured. Unfortunately, we've lost our captain who was leading that charge against those terrorists, who are many of them still hiding along the far reaches of Jammu and Kashmir. This comes just a day ahead of the 78th Independence Day that India would be celebrating tomorrow. We're going to slip into a short break. Shiv Arur brings you elaborately the encounter that's still underway, the search and cordon operations in areas of Doda and several other parts of Jammu and Kashmir, and the lives that it's claimed. Stay with us.